They're so cute. So cute. Oh, I need to turn that off now. Merry Vlogmas!
Oh, it's a good day today.
Good day. We got it wrong yesterday. Your eating mess was tier 2.
I know it was tier 2.
Yeah.
The anticipation was tier 1.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Do you know why I'm feeling better today?
Why are you feeling better today?
I've just ordered 5 roses from David Austin.
Oh, gosh, careful! Don't send yourself into a coughing fit. Yes, no.
That was a birthday present.
Yep.
Yeah. So he's feeling better. She's feeling worse, and mine's starting.
We're right loaded.
Well, I'm still in the throes, but I feel better than I did for the first 2 days.
Yeah.
Any state of existence is better than the first 2 days.
Yeah, your bruise is still everyone's it's gone green now. It's gone green now.
Yeah.
Good makeup.
Yeah.
Good makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mum's decided not to go to church today, so she doesn't want to give the congregation a dreaded leg. I suppose that's where she bought it home from, but
No. It's very careful there.
Yeah.
Very careful.
right, okay. So
I'm ready.
you said that like 5
Been ready
times.
for ages.
I know. Day 13.
13.
Yes, there it is.
Thank you.
Under 12.
Yep.
Will it be a new one? Oh, no. What is it?
Caramel cheesecake. I haven't had this one before.
No, this is a new one. So,
Yep.
hang on.
Face out the way.
Nice.
Ooh.
Up, back, stop. Okay.
Actually, if I
eat.
do it that way,
Why?
it's like a smiley face. No, it's not.
Eat your chocolate.
Childish, wasn't it?
Eat your chocolate.
Mmm.
You can tell he's feeling better. He doesn't mind being on camera.
I do.
Hang on.
Bit like the eating mess.
Tier 2?
Got very nice aftertaste actually.
Oh, that's good.
But tier 2.
Tier 2. Okay.
But
He's going to take that away and enjoy it.
it lasts a long time.
Mum's disappeared. The dog's desperately cleaning up all of the crumbs from the toast making this morning.
Oh, she's quiet cough.
She's hoovering.
No, we haven't had any crumbs yet.
What's she hoovering then?
I have no idea.
Apparently it tastes delightful.
Wow.
I mean, who needs to clean the floor? Just get the dog to lick it.
I'm on my second tasting here.
Yeah.
Is it
good?
Is
Look,
it
lovely.
improving? Is it improving? Oh.
Is it a 1?
Has it been like gone up a league?
Yeah, let's put it up there.
Tier 1.
Oh, really,
Tier
really
1.
nice.
13. Is that one? Oh, it looks tiny.
Oh,
Oh dear.
tiny wee.
This doesn't bode well.
No, because we've had enough every day for everybody.
Oh, it's the lip balm.
Oh.
What does it say? No, on here, Mum. On here.
Oh, always have handy at this time of year, mistletoe not included. Honey
What?
chocolate.
It's lip balm.
Ah.
It's the one non-chocolate edible product. Can I smell it?
Mm.
Oh, it smells lovely.
Mm.
Does it taste nice?
Very good.
It's good, but we haven't got any chocolate.
No.
Dad's truffles have
It's a
disappeared.
disaster.
No, I'll bring them in. I started to eat some before they disappeared.
We shouldn't leave them out on the side, should you, really?
No, big mistake.
Yeah. Okay, and 13 for me.
What have we got today?
Lavender. Oh, some more rings. I couldn't find the word the other day. I was just like looking at them and they were like circles. And I couldn't find the word ring. I was just like, sliders and circles? But yes, some
Belgian chocolate for both of you.
some wide strap elastic, some lace and gold rings and sliders this time. So I shall take those down and show you a little closer in a second. But Dad has brought in his truffles.
He's donated. Donated.
Oh.
I don't think they're as good as they are.
No.
Yeah.
But they were the only champagne truffles that they had.
Mm.
I mean, go have chocolate in the morning on Vlogmas. Well, December. After. Oh no.
It's okay.
Right. Down to the sewing room to move it back to sewing configuration. so I can start the live hangout. And I shall be stuffing dragons today. Okay, so day 13, we have gold rings and sliders, and I think these are the slightly larger size. Okay, and then we have some kind of mauvey lace, and then the kind of lavender strap elastic. That's a very nice day 13 as well. So I'm going to put that into the stash, and then I need to turn the sewing room back into sewing configuration. I'm currently stuffing dragons for the live hangout, which is going on right there, and we've got a head and we've got the back of the body stuffed, but I'm sorry, that probably shouldn't amuse me as much as it does, but that really does amuse me. That's very funny. We're having serious internet problems as well with the live hangout today as well. It's not going well. Not going well at all, is it? Right. I have a shoulder dragon. They do actually sit on your shoulder as well. This, I think this one wants to be a left shoulder dragon. There we go. Yeah, he is kind of kinked that way. But yeah, he's done. And I keep calling him a he. I don't know if he really is a he or not, but he is definitely lizard-like. And he reminds me of like a mini dinosaur. One done. One to go. So this actually took a lot longer than I thought it was going to. I thought I was going to get both of these done during the hangout. But yeah, they took a lot longer to stuff and sew than I thought they would. But never mind, he is complete. Onto the blue one, and now that I've worked out, the Peeps were giving me lots of good and helpful pointers about stuffing this little guy. Now that I've worked out how I want to do that, I'm going to film the blue one being stuffed, or how I'm going, you know, the little bit of how I'm going to stuff it, and we'll see how that goes. Apparently there's already a sew along for one of these little dudes by the creator, so I may not actually put up a sew along, but we are definitely going to do an afternoon in January of making these, because I'm going to need one of these for myself. He is particularly cute. I do like his little face. One shoulder dragon done. Giant poof on his tail. Just the blue fire salamander to go. Wish me luck. I keep forgetting to press record. What is wrong with me today? They're called shoulder dragons for a reason. They're awesome, I love them. So yeah, I've just finished the little blue one. I do think he looks like the little fire salamander. I think it's Bruni from Frozen 2. The elder of the two little girls absolutely loves Frozen. We now have little fire salamander with a giant pom-pom on his tail. This is supposed to look like he's on fire, because he kind of does, he's the spirit of fire, and he does kind of look pink when he's on fire, so that was the point of this one. This little green dude, I have no idea if these are dudes. They could be girls. I don't know what they're going to get called. If the girls do name them, I'll let you know. They look like little dragons. I mean, they're supposed to be dragons, aren't they? Yeah, but so cute. So cute. Their heads are, well, this one's definitely wonky. Yeah, definitely wonky. That one's definitely straighter. Definitely a little bit wonky here. But you know what? They are very cute. Very cute indeed, so I'm pleased with those. So that is all my Christmas sewing complete. You guys will have noticed that I haven't made Wilson's hoodie. I got the pattern out. It's the Vogue 9290 by Ron Collins. I got the pattern out and I got the fear. I haven't measured Wilson. I have the sleeve pattern from his coat that I made him last Christmas. Was it last Christmas or the Christmas before? It was the Christmas before, I think. Yeah, it was the Christmas before. I have the sleeve pattern, but there are more measurements that I want to take, and it's quite an involved, I mean, it's not like super involved, but it's involved enough that I want to make sure that I get it right, because I would like him to wear this thing. So I am going to, I've bought him a game, and I've got him like a board game that we play. I've got him an extended version of that, and then I also got him a PlayStation 4 game, and I'll get him some other little bits and pieces as well. And I'm going to take my tape measure up with me when I go up to see him on Christmas Eve. I will make sure that I measure him correctly so that I can make the hoodie for a Valentine's Day present. So he will still get it, but it's just not going to be a Christmas present because I don't want to fluff it up. I want it to be perfect. I want it to be something that he wants to wear. So yeah, I've just finished Go Tell the Bees That I Am Gone, and 50 hours in, that took me about 4 days, I think. So good, so good, so good, so good. Very much enjoyed it, very much enjoyed it. Now I don't know what to listen to next. I still have a credit left, and I also have Heretics of June to listen to as well, so I do have a couple of books to get through, so that's not too, you know, I will find something. I was going to try and get some Scuba stuff sewn up today. I've got my overlocker out and everything, but I am fading fast. It is 6 o'clock and yeah, I'm really tired. I went out and got myself some cough sweets, some cough medicine and cold and flu medicine. I actually got the echinacea kind of natural one rather than the like night nurse or co-op one, just because they didn't have any of the nighttime one and they've all got caffeine in them, and I know how caffeine affects me, and I would like to try and sleep tonight, so I've not got any of like night nurse or anything, which I'm a bit worried about. But so far so good. So far it's only here and there's no nose involvement at the moment, which is great, so I can still breathe. But yeah, I am fading fast. My energy levels are plummeting, which sucks because I really don't want to stop, but I think I need to. So yeah, I keep forgetting to turn the camera, like keep forgetting to press record. I turn the camera on and just start talking to it. I need to press record. So yeah, I'm clearly not quite with it today. So I think what I'm going to do is say goodnight to you guys, take these dudes upstairs so that they can get wrapped. Then I'm going to edit this, curl up with Chiana and have a quiet evening, and yeah, fingers crossed that I feel a bit more human tomorrow. I know I can get all of those Scuba projects cut out, and not cut out, they're already cut out. I know I can get them all sewn up tomorrow, so I think that's what I'm going to aim for, is getting those done, and then I'll start work on the 8167. Yeah, I'm pleased. I am pleased with how these have come out. Yeah, I sent the picture to Wilson of these and he really likes them. He thinks the girls are going to love them, so yeah, that's great. That's great. I keep saying but yeah, I'm so tired. So I am going to call it a night. I hope you've enjoyed our day, the little bit that I have filmed. I hope you enjoyed the hangout if you could join us. Sorry about the internet issues that we were having. Not sure what was going on there, but fingers crossed next Sunday it will be better, that there will be a hangout next Sunday. And from me and the Shoulder Dragons, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye!